welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about type of Indian forest. So let's learn. India has a diverse range of forest, from the rainforest of Kerala in the south to the alpine pasture of Ladakh in the north, from the desert of Rajasthan in the west to the evergreen forest in the northeast. Climate, soil type, topography and elevation are the main factors that determine the type of forest. Forests varied according to their nature and composition and the type of climate in which they thrive and its relationship with the surrounding environment. Champion and set classification of forest in India are classified into 16 types. Tropical wet evergreen forest. Wet evergreen forests are found along the Western Ghats, the Nicobar and Andaman Island and all along the northeast region. It is characterized by tall, straight, evergreen trees. The more common trees are found here, the jackfruits, the bellnut plant, jamun and mango. The trees in this forest form a tier pattern. Shrubs cover the layer closer to the ground, followed by the short structured tree and then tall variety. Beautiful fern of various color and different variety of orchid grow on the trunk of the tree. Tropical semi-evergreen forest. Semi-evergreen forests are found in the Western Ghats, Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Eastern Himalaya. Such forests have mixture of the wet evergreen tree and the moist deciduous tree. The forest is dense and filled with large variety of trees of both types. Tropical moist deciduous forest. Moist deciduous forests are found throughout the India except in the western and the northwest region. The trees are tall, have broad trunk, branches strong and root to hold them firmly to the ground. Some of the tall trees shed their leaves in the dry season. There is a layer of shorter tree and the evergreen shrubs in the undergrowth. The forests are dominated by sun, teak, along with mango, bamboo and rosewood. Littoral and swamp. Littoral and swamp forests are found along in the Andaman and Nicobar Island and the delta area of the Ganga and Brahmaputra. They have roots that consist of soft tissue so that the plant can breathe in the water. Tropical dry deciduous forest. Dry deciduous forests are found throughout the northern part of the country except in northeast. It is also found in Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The canopy of the tree does not normally exceed 25 meters. The common trees are sal, a variety of acacia and bamboo. Tropical thorn forest. This type is found in area with black soil, the north, the west, the central and south India. The tree does not grow beyond 10 meters. Examples are spruce, caper and cactus are the type of this region. Tropical dry evergreen forest. Dry evergreen are found along with Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka coast. It is mainly hard-leaved evergreen trees with fragrant flowers along with few deciduous trees. Subtropical broad-leaved forest. Broad-leaved forests are found in the Eastern Himalaya and the Western Ghats along with this silent valley. There is a marked difference in form of vegetation in two areas. The silent valley, the punspar, cinnamon, rhododendron and fragrant grass are predominant. In the Eastern Himalaya, the flora has been badly affected by the shifting cultivation and forest fire. Those wet forests consist mainly of evergreen trees with sprinkling of deciduous here and there. There are oak, elder, cashew nut, beech and cherry tree. There are large variety of orchard, bamboo and creeper. Subtropical pine forest. Pine forests are found in the steep, dry slope of Shivalik Hill, Western and Central Himalaya, Khasi, Naga and Manipur Hill. The tree predominantly found in those areas are cheer, oak, rhododendron and pine as well as thal, alum and laburnum are found in the lower region. Subtropical dry evergreen forest. Dry evergreen forests normally have a prolonged hot and dry season and cold winter. It generally has evergreen tree with shining leaf that have a vanished look. Those forests are found in the Shivalik Hill and foothills of Himalaya up to the height of 1000 meters. Montane Wet temperate forest. In the north, Montane Wet temperate forests are found in the region to the east of Nepal into the Arunachal Pradesh, receiving a minimum rainfall of 2000 mm. In the north, there are three layers of forest. The higher layer has mainly coniferous, the middle layer has the deciduous tree such as oak, and lower layer is covered with rhododendron and champa. In the south, it is found in part of Nilagiri Hill, the higher reach of Kerala. The forests in the northern region are denser than the southern region. Rhododendron and a variety of plant flora can be found here. Himalayan Moist temperate forest. This type of forest spread from the western Himalaya to the eastern Himalaya. The trees found in the western section are broad-leaved oak, brown oak, walnut, rhododendron, etc. In the eastern Himalaya, the rainfall is much heavier and therefore the vegetation is also lush and denser. There are a large variety of broad-leaved trees, ferns, and bamboo. Coniferous trees are also found here, some of the variation being different from the one found in the south. Himalayan Dry temperate forest. This type of forest found in Lahore, Kinnaur, Sikkim, and other parts of Himalaya. There are predominantly coniferous trees along with broadleaf trees such as oak, maple, and ash. At higher elevation, fir, juniper, deodar, and chilgoji found. Subalpine forest. Subalpine forest extend from Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh between 2,900 to 3,500 meters. In the West Himalaya, the vegetation consists mainly of juniper, rhododendron, and blackcurrant. In the eastern part, red fir, black juniper, beech, and lachar are common trees. Due to heavy rainfall and high humidity, the timberline of this part is higher than the west. Rhododendron of many species cover this hill in the eastern part. Moist alpine shrub. Moist alpine shrubs are found all along the Himalaya and the higher hill near the Myanmar border. It has lower scrub density. Evergreen forest consists mainly rhododendron and beech. Mosses and fir cover the ground in patches. This region receives heavy snowfall. Dry alpine shrubs. Dry alpine are found from about 3,000 meters to the 4,900 meters. Dwarf plant predominate mainly the black juniper and dropping juniper. So this is the end of the video. I hope you like the concept of Indian forest types. Please consider to subscribe us. Scan the above QR code to get the note of this video. Thank you.